What farm animal is super smart and loves a good roll in the mud? That's right, it's a pig! Let's head to the fact finder to discover more about our funny farmyard friends. Super sniffers. Pigs have an incredible sense of smell, and they use their noses to sniff out food on the ground. And their noses aren't just for smelling, they're strong too. Pigs use their noses to push and dig to find food buried deep in the dirt. A built-in shovel and sniffer all in one. Muddy and misunderstood. Pigs love to roll around in mud, but not just for fun. Since pigs can't sweat, the mud helps them stay cool. It also protects their skin from the sun, like their very own muddy sunscreen. Barnyard brainiac. Pigs are very smart animals and can learn tricks as fast as a dog can. Even baby piglets can learn their name in just a few weeks. Plus, they have incredible memories and a great sense of direction, especially when it comes to remembering where to find food. Smart little piggies. A talkative team. Pigs make lots of different sounds. Oinks, grunts, snorts, squeals. Even mama pigs sing to their babies. Pigs can have lots of emotions, so they use more than 20 different sounds to communicate how they're feeling. Quite the expressive bunch. From sniffing out hidden treats to muddy cool downs and chatty sounds. What a clever farm friend indeed. I'll see you next time for more fun facts.
Have you seen the Bubbles and Friends app? You've got to check it out. It's an ad-free, safe space for kids with all your favorite Bubbles and Friends videos, learning games, and over 300 books to explore. Ask your grown-up today and get in on the fun.